Anticipation and excitement are growing ahead of the Insight Keokuk Area Hospital reopening later this year. It will be used as an emergency hospital to stabilize patients to recovery and then transfer them to other nearby care centers. Officials explain how much this will benefit the Keokuk area.
Well, more than anything, it's going to prevent deaths. We've had people that have passed away that didn't make it to the next place because it's anywhere from 25, 30 to 40 minutes to the next area.
And upon its reopening, the Insight Keokuk Area Hospital may become Iowa's first rural emergency hospital. And through this summer and fall, renovations will be made to the interior of that facility. They will feature 8 to 10 new emergency rooms.